The STEAM program at Liberty Memorial Central Middle School is going to be a way that we can teach our standards, but in a slightly different way. We focus on the STEAM concept of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, trying to get students to understand that those concepts are so integrated together in the real world. Students aren't just being fed the material from a teacher, they are getting a problem, learning how to solve that problem, learning information through their own activities in order to gain a better understanding of that concept. Doing that type of models, the projects and the way students present can be very limitless. With it being a STEAM school, if a kid is really into doing something through the arts, they can present, that science concept about waves through playing their trumpet, bringing in things that we currently offer as clubs, robotics, coding, bringing that into the classroom so that they can present their knowledge through projects or concepts like that. We also know that it's not going to be a process in which everything changes immediately. We're right now looking at how are we going to bring this out over the next couple of years. Student choice in as many things as we can give them gets them involved, it gets them excited in school.